Hello and welcome to a parental support maths session brought to you by the Kemnall Academy Trust. My name is Kat McKeever and I'm a lead practitioner. Today I'm going to lead you through some strategies and background information about subtraction in Year 4 so that you have the confidence to support your child as they move through primary school. If you'd like to gain knowledge about the step before this, please do watch the Subtraction in Year 3 session. Children are at the stage where they can think about one as a whole being split up into smaller parts. They will have come across this concept with basic fractions. We want the children to understand that they can split a whole into tenths, 10 equal parts, and hundredths, 100 equal parts. A great way to think about this is with money. 100 pence make £1. Each penny is worth 1/100th. 10 10-pence pieces make £1. Each 10-pence coin is worth 1/10th. They will then be introduced to these concepts on a place value mat. Greater than and less than symbols, which you can see here in the middle, are often used. The larger the opening always points towards the larger number. This is a really great way to prove that children really understand place value and which number is the greater and which is the less. Being secure with greater than and less than will also help them when they come to more formal methods. Now I will talk you through how to subtract using column method when exchanging is needed. When we were in school, we might have used the term borrowing. However, to the children, this can be misleading as borrowing implies we are giving it back, when in actual fact, we are exchanging, so we're kind of keeping it. In the concrete example above, 4,352 take away 3,271, you can see that we start by subtracting the ones. So in this case, 1 is being subtracted. Moving into the tens, 4,352 has 5 tens, but 3,272 has 7 tens. So we are unable to subtract 70 from 50. Therefore, we exchange 1 from out of the hundreds into the tens and move them into the tens column, which you can see here in red, so that we can easily subtract 70 as we now have 150. We know we are left with 2 hundreds, which we can subtract 2 hundreds from, and then we need to subtract 3,000 from 4,000. Children will be really successful with written column methods once they are clear about place value and they understand that the decimal point never moves. Many moons ago, we were told to move the decimal point, and that really doesn't help. This is the same process that we went through in the previous slide. We have just introduced the decimal point, tenths and hundredths. Thank you so much for watching this session, and we hope that you'll find it helpful when supporting your child with mathematics at home.